Hi, this is the post-sales procedure video for the Canon XL2 3CCD mini DV digital video recorder or camcorder with lens and accessories. This is for eBay item number 30260924850. That's 30260924850 for eBay buyer graham25bay, and that's Graham Gibson. This is the contents of the items, or the listing. So you've got one camcorder, one lens, one battery pack 300 milliamps, one battery charger including UK plug and slide adapter, a leather lens cover, wireless controller / remote, and a composite SCART converter. So this is for camcorder with the serial number ending in 0374. So the items are here. You've got your lens, you've got your charger, you've got your battery here, as you can see 300 milliamps, you've got your remote control, and you've got the camcorder itself here as well. Now, as I said, the purpose of this video is to show you the camcorder working, and this is as per the terms and conditions of sale. So if I just flip this over, as I've put here, terms and conditions of sale: due to the nature of the item being sold, the contents of the item are sold as is, no returns are accepted. The policy has been put in place to avoid scammers purchasing the camera and taking parts from it and then requesting a refund. The winner of this will have to electronically agree with these terms. Please see the post-sales procedure, which explains in thorough details how you are protected as a buyer. And as I've just mentioned there, post-sales procedure: after payment has been made, all items will be checked over and a video will be made covering the cosmetic and functionality of the camera, including recording, playbook, video output and PC connectivity. Links to the video will be provided, and this will be uploaded on YouTube, which you're now viewing from. So the camera itself is fully working and functioning. When I send this, I will detach the lens, the lens itself and the viewer and the mic, and it'll be all wrapped up properly into a stable box. I will send it through eBay shuttle via UPS, so you should get it reasonably quick. So the camera's here. As I said, the camcorder serial number ends in 0374, which is there, as you can see. Now, the battery is not connected. I've just charged it, so it's fully working. Just to show you there, you've got the battery pack reference. So I'm going to put it in the camera now. So if I turn it on now to VCR, so that you'll see the light come on. If I push the light here, you'll see the screen come on as well. It's fully functioning. You've got the viewer here. I will lift this to make things easier for you to see what's on the screen. So there you go. Nothing's actually in there at the moment, but in terms of tape, so just to show you the tape working. For the purpose of this, I'm using the tape that you won't get as part of the purchase, but just to show you that this is functioning correctly. So I've got the tape in. See, that works well. Right, look back on the camera itself. It's recognised the tape. Just to show you as well, there's no lens connected in, hence why you're getting that icon flashing. So if I rewind, that's already fully rewind. If I push play, this is something that I recorded earlier. Just checking the zoom, and the same thing is literally there. It's a hard drive in the box. Just zooming up to show you that working. What I'll do is I'll start if I stop this and rewind, what I'll do is I'll start recording once I've attached the lens. So if I turn this off quickly to avoid any damage, I'll flip this round. So these will come with caps for the lenses, as you can see here, and you've got the lens here which is in very good condition. There's a few scratches just under the XL bit there, but it's very faint and it's normal wear and tear. This has a cap on both ends, so you've got a cap here and there's one at the bottom here. So just lean that against the leather cover. As you can see, the lens is very clean. So if I put this lens onto the camcorder, this is going to be quite hard to do one-handed, but there you go, it's on, fully on, it's all clicked on. So if I turn this on again to go down to green, so screen's on. Obviously the set timer won't work because I've not bothered setting it up. So I've got the remote control here. Just to show you this working, I'm going to push record. And why is it not working? It's because I've got no batteries in it. Nope, that makes sense. Right, for the sake of that, what I'll do is I'll record anyway. So test 1 2 3 1 2 3. You can see the mic levels working. Got the red LED light showing it's recording. You've got red down there. Oh, that's the power. So, but either way, it's recording. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is for graham25bay. Just proving that the camera works. So if I zoom in and out of certain things, zoom into this, see the stabilisation's working as well. Just quickly show the eBay printout, just to prove this is recording. Right, zoom out. There you go. So what I'll do now is stop recording and I'll go back to VCR. Where are you? It's this way, isn't it? That's it. So if I rewind, using the keys on here, right, that's done. Right, so what I'm going to show you now, so I've got a TV here, I'm going to show you this working fully with the TV connected. That way you can hear the sound, make sure the audio's working as well, as agreed. Just give me a second. Right, plug this in. So I believe I need, this is going to be a bit fiddly, so, and I apologise for the poor lighting. Put this in, and we put the yellow in. No, we don't. We just put the S video in, which is at the top. There we go. TV's gone blue. Just going to push play on here. So I'm wondering why the audio is not working. It's actually because I plugged it into the wrong audio port on the camcorder. So we'll just stop this for a minute. So, as I said, I've mostly plugged these into the wrong ports. There's another set down there for a different channel. I'll plug that into the bottom one. Like so. So I had them in the top ones, they're at the bottom now. So if I push play again, back on the TV, and the volume's ultra low, doesn't help. So as you can hear, that is the audio working. There you go. Sorry about the poor filming. Just to prove this is recording. I just wanted to make sure that everything is crystal clear to you, and you can see everything's functioning as it should do. So what I'll do now is stop recording. So there you go. Push stop now. Now I told you the remote works. Well, it does, but the batteries are dead, and these are recordable ones, rechargeable even. So what I'm going to quickly do is take the ones out of my TV remote, which I've already done. That's my TV remote, which I just used, and that won't. No, they will work. So AAA as well. So one. That's in. There is a backing for this, but I'm just doing this quickly. So just to show you this working, push stop. You see the light. Every time I push the button, that light makes a change. So if I push play again, it'll start playing on the TV. Push stop. Watch this. It stops. So remote 100% works. Thanks for listening. If you've got any questions, please get back to me. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.